If you are newly watching, please subscribe and activate bell icon to get notifications. Hi guys, welcome to Electrical Technology channel. Today new topic is control of home appliances like fan, motor, lamp, etc. by wireless, that is RF and GSM technologies. After usage of smartphones, everything becomes smart, like smartphone, smart home, smart inverter, smart TV, etc. In 1950, the first wireless remote invented by Zenith Radio Corporation Limited. After that, the fan operated by remote and TV operated by remote. Also now new technology is GSM and radio frequency technologies. You can operate or control globally, that is you can stay anywhere in the world and communicate with your home appliances. Let us see how the GSM control of apparatus home appliances can be controlled by inserting a GSM SIM in the microcontroller interfacing unit. The type of interface used in GSM is air digital interface. The analog voice signals are converted into digital signals before transmission. Up to 8 milliseconds, the GSM RF carrier wave can handle subscribers at a time. The rate of transmission is 270 kbps. The main processor designed with 89C51 microcontroller is interfaced with the GSM module, and it is pre-programmed such that the processor will have continuous communication link with user mobile number. Based on the command signal generated by the activating certain keys of mobile keypad, the GSM passes the control code to the main processor, by which the corresponding appliances will be activated through electromagnetic relay. The electromagnetic relay operates the appliances like fan, TV, motor, etc. Whenever GSM SIM is activated through mobile, a communication link will be initiated between mobile and GSM module. Once link is established, automatically the status of devices will be transmitted to corresponding mobile phone. The format to switch off, switch on like that in mobile phone, on to on one like that, SMS will be sent to the microcontroller. After that, off to means off. Now I am pressing that at the rate on. After that, the load 1 will on. Whatever you assigned, load 1 will be switched on. Similarly, off at the rate of 1 means it will be switched off. The information generated by the mobile phone will be transmitted through telecommunications network, and it will be reached to a specific GSM module that holds a SIM card for the communication. As the GSM module interfaced with the embedded system, the data will be stored in RAM of microcontroller. The controller is programmed to send and receive data accordingly. This project work is designed based on GSM Global System for Mobile Communication Technology. Falls under the subject of communication field. Now we are replaced the loads with the lamps. Lamp 1, lamp 2, lamp 3 like that. At the rate on 1 means lamp 1 will be on. At the rate off means lamp 2 will be off. By using RF transmitter and receiver, the loads are switching on in the home by sitting in somewhere in the corner of house. Then you can switch on the your apparatus without moving to switchboard. Coming to the introduction of the project, the main function of system is to control any desired electrical home appliances from various networks. In this regard, we are taking two networks. One is GSM interfaced with embedded system, receives command code from the concerned mobile. Depending upon the code, corresponding appliance will be energized or de-energized. Similarly, another wireless network we adopted in this system is RF, which operates at high frequency. 433 MHz by the same devices can be controlled with the help of small remote. The prototype module is constructed with 3 relays, and the different lamp loads are used to simulate 3 different electrical appliances. These relay contacts are used to make or break the supply the lamps. Now we are using relays to make or break the lamps, and different loads can be controlled by using relays. The main objective of this project is to control home appliances by using RF technology, which helps to turn the electrical loads such as light, fans, TV, etc. This is the advanced technology for home appliances control, as it is used to make homes very smarter without requiring any switches on the walls. The main abstract of this project is to design and construct a home appliance control system that will remotely switch on or off any household appliances connected to it using RFs and GSM. Home appliances control system is useful and helpful way to manage electrical appliances without any physical connect with the switch. This is possible by utilizing wireless communication technologies. In this project, RF and GSM controlled we use. Block diagram is as shown in figure. 5 volts regulator and 9 volts battery, power supply, GSM antenna, receiver, transmitter, both we are using, and a relays. 3 relays we can connected to main processor microcontroller 89S51. A microcontroller is a integrated circuit designed to govern specific operations in embedded systems. A typical microcontroller includes a processor, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip. In the project, we used a microcontroller 89C51. It is the 8-bit microcontroller and similar to architecture 8051. It has 32 programmable GPIO pins. The difference between two microcontrollers 89C51 and S51 is the S51 is series chip and programmed through ISP and parallel port, but 51 programmed through parallel program only. Another microcontroller 89C2051 8-bit microcontroller we use because of low voltage high performance CMOS 8-bit microcomputer. It is with 2 KB flash, programmable and erasable read-only memory. Remote control unit designed with another microprocessor 89C2051. We used electromagnetic relays in the circuit. A relay is an electromagnetic switch used to switch high voltage or current using low power circuits. It has NO terminal and NC terminal, normally closed, normally open terminals. Based on that attraction, it works. The relays have basically 3 main parts. One is electromagnetic coil made of copper. Second is contacts, normally open and normally closed, and a movable armature. Electromagnetic relays works on the principle of electromagnet. There are 2 conditions of the working the electromagnetic relay: normally open and normally closed. This is the main overview of the project. And the kit is based on this construction is carried out. After that, we control 3 lamps, 3 different loads also we can control by using this circuit. A power supply is required 12 volts or 5 volts for this unit, total unit. Hence we required a transformer and a single phase supply is required. The principle involved in this project is an appliance control system through a mobile device via mobile app, which enables the user to control the home appliance remotely. This system based on serial data transmission using SMS or GSM network. Coming to applications, Home automation, remote device control, energy conservation, irrigation systems also we can apply for irrigation systems. This system without going to the motor in agriculture field, the motor will be switched on from the home itself in the farmer's house. If you want more updates, please subscribe to Electrical Technology channel.